Hi, fellow travelers, welcome back to my channel. Are you planning a trip on a tight budget? Do you want to enjoy your travel without breaking the banks? In this video, I'll show you how to make the most of your $25 a day. Stay tuned! First and foremost, transportation is key. Choose public transportation over taxis and ride-sharing app to save big. Not only a public transportation is cheaper, but you can also get a chance to see the city like a local. Take advantage of the metros, buses, and trains. You can also rent a bike and explore a city with two wheels. Next stop, food. Eating out on restaurants can add up quickly. Instead, visit local markets and grocery stores to buy food and snacks to carry with you throughout the day. Embrace street food and local delicacies to get a real taste of the city without emptying your wallet. Thirdly, check out free attractions and activities. Every city has its share of museums, parks, and landmarks. Many would does not charge admissions. You can also find free walking tours and group hikes online and through local tourist offices. And don't forget the beauty of just wandering around and getting lost on purpose. And last but not least, accommodations. Hostels and budget hotels are an excellent option for a solo traveler and can show you a great time. They are generally located in the heart of the city, making it easy to get around. You can also consider couch surfing or house sitting to save money and live like a local. With these tips and tricks, you can make the most of your $25 a day and have an unforgettable trip. Happy travels! Kindly like and subscribe to this channel so that you can see more of videos like this. See you in my next video.